all about articleship. You can start your articleship after completing any of the group of CA Inter, and after clearing the any of the group of CA Inter and completing the IT and soft skill training, which is held by Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. You can start your training for the 3-year training of articleship. Articleship, mid-size firm, big firm, and small firm. Small firm is like associate, single partner, or mid-size is like four partner, 5 partner, 6 partner, and big firm, PwC, EY, Deloitte, ठीक है, एक्सेट्रा एंड GT. तो बहुत सारी फॉर्म्स है बिग फॉर्म में, बिग फॉर्म में क्राइटेरिया में आती है, तो हम तो मिड साइज वाले हैं. ओके, तो what you have to do is, before choosing the firm for your articleship, you have to check all the things कि according to your priorities. distance देख लो कितनी distance है. Talk with your principal कि how much leave you will be getting, how much period leave you will be getting at the end of your articleship, because for CA final preparation, will he allow evening tuition or not, will he allow college articleship with college, ठीक है. Everything go and discuss, and also discuss if you need transfer in between, will he allow or not, ठीक है. Discuss frankly and बढ़िया से discuss करना, because once you get registered, it is all the power and authority go to the principal of yours, so it's become very difficult for getting transfer. Talking about the mid-size firm, you get you touch all the area of the work, like statutory audit, internal audit, ROC, income tax, GST, every type of work you touch. And I prefer the CA students should go for a mid-size firm, because after you touch all the field, then after completing CA, you will be having an option in which field you want to go, ठीक है. बट ऐसा होता है कि when you are in a big four firm, they allot you a single field, ठीक है, either tax or audit, and you go and continue for all the 3 years that field only, as per my knowledge, ठीक है. यदि मैं गलत हूँ तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बता देना. तो मिड साइज फर्म इज मोर.
Unacademy has launched its batch, which is going to start on 22nd September. For all the CA Foundation students who are confused where to take tuitions and where to start their preparation for December 21, they can go and check out my description box, and every Wednesday new batch comes. If you use my code CA Miles, you get 10% off. Go check out now. There are various other options available if you take the classes, and it is a perfect plan for CA December 21, which is going the next every Wednesday batch is going to start. You can check it out, and you can take the classes. It is not only a subscription, it is more than subscription. You will be getting a various other offer also. You can get a live interaction, recorded classes, access the note. What more you want? There are more other option too. What are you waiting for? Go download the app and proceed with my code CMIs. You get a 10% off. 10% off plus subscription is also available. Iconic subscription. There are different type of subscription which you can check it out, and there is a live mentoring program which is too available. You can check out that too. And if you don't want to miss the opportunity, go download it now. Check out my description and click on the link. There is also test series which is held by Unacademy. You can check that too, and also preparation timetable is also available. You can check it out that too. Don't lose the opportunity. It's a great opportunity. Go check it out now, and you will be able to access all the CA notes and other thing too. Go check it out now. And you will be able to clear the December 21 exam for CA Foundation. Thank you.
More preferable, but before choosing mid-size firm, you have to take care of the various other things, like how is the experience of other article. Go and talk with some of the articles who are working there in the firm, ki how is the experience of there with the principal. Is the principal is like good or bad, and will he coordinate with the article or not, ठीक है. This all were about the principal. Talking about the in articleship, in a mid-size firm, small firm, you get 2000, 1500, 2000 and 2500, or 2000, 2500 or 3000 as per the minimum criteria set by ICI. But when you go for the big firm, big four, you get 12,000, 15,000 and 18,000 or 21,000 accordingly, according to the firm. ठीक है, this was the stipend for the 3 year you get. ठीक है, and when we talk about the transfer, if you want to take transfer, ठीक है, you can get the transfer, but you have to take the transfer during the articleship. If you want to get the transfer, you can take the transfer, but you have to take the transfer within the 1 year of your articleship. ठीक है, and your principal should permit that. It's not your it's not in your hand, your principal should permit that. ठीक है, and talking about the when you complete when you if you want to go for an industrial training, that too your principal should you should be giving a prior mail or prior notice to your principal कि I want to during the articleship, after you complete a certain period, you have to give a mail and mail or in writing to your principal कि I want to go for industrial training, kindly allow me. If he allow, you can go for the industrial training. ठीक है, and when your point 5, that is 6 months is left before CA final, before completion of your articleship, you can appear for your CA final exam. ठीक है, and if there is normally it has been seen that there is an extension in a CA articleship, तो आपकी extension लग रही है नहीं, you calculate the date and accordingly see that extension हो रही है कि नहीं, जितनी period allowed है for articleship. And the timing of articleship is from the 11 to 5, but normally it does not work in a practical world. We had a timing of 10:30 to 8, 9, 10. There was no timing for the out, there was a timing for the in, that is 10:30. But the institute has said the timing 11 to 5. ठीक है, depend. When we talk about the other thing in relating to articleship, you get a various exposure in articleship, which will be helping you to become a chartered accountant. Also, after you become a CA, which will be helping you in your growth. From entering to a CA profession, and after you clear your CA, you will be seeing a drastic change in your growth rate. What you, like me, I was not able to speak a single line in English, or I was not confident at all, but now it's very different. There are various forms which you need to file in your articleship. When you start your articleship, you need to file form 112. ठीक है, वहाँ पर सब कुछ डिटेल दी रहेगी एंड फॉर्म फाइलिंग करनी है. एक चीज़ बताता हूँ, किसी को बताना मत, कि फॉर्म 112 साइन करवाने के बाद डोंट सबमिट फॉर अ 1 week. Check how is the environment of the firm in which you have joined. If it's good, then submit the form. If it's not good, don't submit the form. ठीक है, then go for then there is a form 109, then there is a form 104 for industrial training, then there is a form 108, which after you complete your articleship, you have to file 108 form. So it means when you file 108 form and it has been finalized and taken by the institute, it means you have completed a 3-year training of articleship. Okay, this was short video about all about articleship. Thank you so much for watching and share this video out. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. If you have any query, any doubt, do comment. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.